Hi nail friends, it's Miranda and welcome back to Corgi's Wine and Nails. My Corgi Redder is running around and we do have some Prosecco tonight. So we've got Corgi's wine and then we are doing my mom's nails. She is doing these new colors from the Triple D Dark and Spooky Pals set. So you can pick your own colors. I actually ended up getting 4 colors from the collection. Normally the pal sets are already coordinated and like in a set together as 3, but I got 4 because these are pick your own, and Triple D is being amazing and letting you do your own basically packs, and you can add on if you want to. So I got Ghostly Glow. This is on my mom's nail right now. And this one glows in the dark. It's this like really deep purple. Right now we've only done just the base, not the base, but we've done the dipping part. And so I was just showing you the colors real quick here. But the point of this video, I should probably tell you, is we're gonna apply these decals on top. And the decals come with your Pals set. So this set came with 2 sets of decals. You can tell I've already used the silver, 2 of them, on my mom's nails on this hand. And it looks a little bit dusty because we just encapsulated in clear. But there's a little silver kitty on this pinky and a bat and a moon on this thumb. So once we file buff and do our activation and glossy top coat, this is gonna look really cool. But I was gonna show you real quick the colors before, just so you can see why we're doing this, the theme. Goliath here is, it actually turns, it looks gray, but it turns a really dark, deep gray. And then that's on the middle. Graveyard is on the pinky. And this one is a color changer. So when it's cold, it turns black. So it's a gray to black color changer, super cool. And then Gargoyle is this amazing foil. So it's got a nice medium gray base and then silver foil flakes. I can't say that for some reason. Underneath, or not underneath, like mixed in. So that's the effect that you get with the foil dip there. And then I think I showed you Ghostly Glow. So we're gonna make that one glow later. This one is not in the Pals set for the Halloween. This is one that was in a Pals set, the Bella Bella Pals, but it's now available for individual purchase. And it's this amazing, super, hopefully you can see, incredibly sparkly silver. And it just went so perfectly with this. So, Mom, you said your inspiration was that there was like a little ghost coming out of the graveyard over here. So with this kind of gradient almost effect, or what were you thinking when you picked this out?
Yeah, either fog or a ghost or something coming out of the graveyard.
Something spooky, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is really fun. And then we're going to put these decals on. We're going to show you how we're using decals today. So the decals did come with this set. I told you there was the silver and the black. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get this little kitty cat off of here, and I'm just using tweezers. It did come with this really great little tool here. If you can see, hopefully I'm staying in shot. I might be a little too far over actually to be in shot. We were worried that we had to scoot over to get the camera angle, which this works too, but honestly, the tweezers just for my hand and like steadiness sake, I think is gonna be my best bet. So I'm kind of just gonna bend this a little bit, see if I can get the kitty cat to give me a little leeway to lift him. Perfect. So we're gonna play some schmuck dab here. I did end up getting him too far on my tweezers. Let's fix this. Ooh, hey kitty cat. That looks like, let's see. see in the camera? Good. Okay, good. Please tell me to hit record. I don't think it's recording. It's not recording. Oh, I think it is recording. Okay, I can't tell if it's recording, but I think it is. So there might be a little jump in this video because I panicked for a sec. Probably like, what was her name, Reese, from that funny video we watched today. She's like, I wasn't recording. Yeah, there is a really funny lady that does nails and tutorials, and her name is Reese, but what was the channel's name again? I subscribed, I gotta go find it. I'm gonna put her in the description box because it was hilarious and I was totally feeling her pain. Okay, so we put the kitten on, her little sexy silver kitty. And I'm going to encapsulate it. You can use gel if you want. I'm using Pro Base, or I'm sorry, not Pro Base. One brand calls it Pro Base. I just always end up calling it that. I'm using base, and then I have clear acrylic dip powder. My mom's gonna dip her pinky in there.
The little kitty cat tail is sticking up.
We're gonna pat that tail down. So she got a good coat of the clear. I have a sample baggie on my finger, and I'm gonna apply a very light pressure and kind of roll a little, make sure that the decal is adhering and any of the base that got in under the decal is kind of getting squished out, you can see. And then Mama, will you please put your pinky? So I'm gonna have to do that, so then that's perfect. So then that spot around the decal where kind of the base squished out from underneath is getting solidified with the clear acrylic dip powder. So that will help this stay locked in and be really, really cute. We're gonna do one more, so hopefully this video isn't too long, but we're also gonna do this really cute moon. I keep saying sun. I did that earlier too. This moon and bat. And we're gonna put this one over Ghostly Glow. So just make sure it's really brushed off good. And this one, since it's a little bit bigger of a decal, it's a little bit easier to use. The other one was kind of dainty, but it worked out just great. And especially for like the pinky, a pinky is pretty little, so you kind of need a smaller decal. And then this one is gonna look perfect for a thumb. It kind of fills up the space just right. And my mom picked the silver decals because they kind of went with some of these silver colors on her fingers. It's kind of a little silver accent theme going on for your spooky Manny. And then hopefully you guys can see that I'm not pulling this too close to myself. I'm gonna pull up this little bat. He was easy to pull off. And I'm just gonna set him right next to that moon where he looks like he's in a good spot. Hold down. There's a little bit of almost like a sticker, you know, a little bit of adhesive here. But if you wanted to put Pro Base, I keep saying Pro Base, if you wanted to put base down, you could. You just have to be, you know, maybe not stick your finger down on it. Use like a different tool, like a orange wood stick or something like that. I guess we'll just move over because I don't know why I thought we were gonna be so far out of. I know, my mom's so sweet. I'm like, move here, do this. She's like, all right. So, Mom, what's the most fun costume you've ever dressed up as? Did you ever?
Oh, I don't remember.
You don't even remember? I remember my first costume was a pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
A little baby pumpkin, right?
Yeah.
And I got the pictures to prove I was cute. Okay.
And you dressed up your dog as a hot dog.
I did do that one year. My dachshund that we had, I made her a hot dog one year. Because I thought that was fitting. But I was like 10 or so when that happened, right? 12?
I don't know, you were about 5.
I was 5. What dog did we have?
We had Midnight.
I was 10 when we got Midnight. 9, maybe. I don't know. You guys, well, me and my mom will have this whole... We'll do that on a offline. I don't know. I remember things. Maybe 8. I don't think 5. I think maybe 8 or 9. Okay, here, do the, it's all a blur. It's all a blur. I don't even know what I had for lunch yesterday. Okay. Tap, 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 tap. Kind of just putting a little gentle pressure down, making sure that the decals got to lay really flat, and then that they're supported by the powder around them. And I think that's gonna look really cute. Let's brush off. Do you think those got down pretty good? Okay, let's brush off this one. And I'm gonna brush this guy off. All right, so next steps, I'm gonna finish encapsulating the rest of these 3 nails with some clear dip powder. I put it in this cupcake liner because it's easier to lay flat, and especially for me when I'm working on someone else. But I don't want to use my whole jar of clear acrylic because I don't want it to get contaminated with extra glitter flakes. So using just a little bit at a time is a good way for me to be able to be, resourceful with not making my entire clear full of any random glitter at any time. So we're gonna encapsulate, and then we're gonna shape, file, and do all the finishing touches, and come back and show you how these decals look after we're done. So stay tuned. And we're back. So my mom has her nails done. We still have a little bit of a mess here, but as far as like all the little dust and stuff. But here's what we did. We did Graveyard from Triple D. This one is a temperature changer. It's going to change black when it's cold, which is like super cool because it fits in with this whole look. Gargoyle has foil flakes inside the dip, so it makes this really cool foil effect. Goliath is a dark gray, and we put a little bit of Bella Bella from her pointer and a little sprinkle ombre right here, and it looks so cute. So that one's this one I think is a must-have for sure. I love all of these, of course, but like I use this one pretty often because it's so cute. And then on this nail, we did Ghostly Glow. So we'll see how well it glows in the dark, but it is a glow in the dark dip. This really deep purple. And we did the decal, like we were showing you, the application portion of it is those cute moon and bat. And then over here is the little kitty cat. So this is my mom's spooky Halloween mini. And it's really cute that she got to try all these different colors, and they are all very well suited to coordinate together. What do you think, Mom?
I like it a lot.
Does that feel like the fog or the like spooky ghost in the graveyard vibe that you were going for?
Yeah, I think it's really cute.
Cool. All right, well, thanks for watching, and if you like these videos, like and subscribe and comment below so I know that you are here and that you want to see more videos. If you have any suggestions, of course, love to hear what you're thinking. And just thanks for being nail friends. Love you guys. Bye.